Hey everybody! All right, well let's take a look here. What we are going to be doing with a whiteboard and a marker is reviewing some ideas that we've already talked about. This is a quick review. It's meant to feel like, oh, I've done this before and I know where it's going. Let's take a peek. So right up here, I already recognize that we have a number family. Some of you might recognize this better if I draw it as a number bond. The idea is very much the same, that inside of every 12 is a 7 and a 5, right? Part, whole. Now, when you think about those numbers and the relationship, you can come up with 4 facts that are from this number family. Usually, I like to show that this number is different than the others. This number, the whole, is made up of the other 2 numbers. So it is going to be the answer, the total, the sum of the other 2 when you're adding, right? So when you're adding, you're going to get the big number. And that makes sense. 7 plus 5 more gives us 12. If you're not sure about that fact, you can always touch those points. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But now that you know that, you should be able to tell me pretty quickly, I would guess, what 5 plus 7 is. Well, let's see. 7 plus 5 is 12. So what do you think 5 plus 7 is? The same 12. The order does not matter when you're adding. Those parts could be switched around. Now, the order does matter when you're subtracting, and it's because this is different than the others. You can't just put the 12 anywhere you want. And that's kind of true with adding, too, when you think about it. The 12 always ends up as the answer. So when you're subtracting, the 12 always, the whole, starts. So if I have 12 and I break off 7 of them, what do I have left? The 5. So 12, take away the 7, gives me 5. 12, take away 7, leaves 5. What if I go the other way around and I go 12, snap off the 5, I'm left with 7. These are the 4 facts that make up this number family. Lots of times, as you get better with your addition facts, you can use the addition facts to help you subtract and solve questions without counting back 7 counts. This is a tough problem, right? 12 minus 7 is a really difficult problem, but it's not difficult if you know the family. It saves you a lot of time, a lot of bouncing on that number line or counting back on your fingers. Fact families. Thanks for working with me. Bye now.